are proud to welcome the RA2000 to our flagship RA family. Featuring the same source and optics of the RA3000 to deliver an exceptional quality of light. With a high CRI, TLCI, and a beautiful flat field. A CMY mixing system provides perfect pastels, stunning saturates, and powerful primaries. A color wheel provides split colors, and a linear CTO allows the RA family to reach a precise tungsten. A gobo wheel, animation wheel, prism, iris, both soft and heavy linear frost, as well as a 4-blade framing system. Right through the massive 5 to 50 degrees zoom, can all be overlaid to provide endless combinations. All in focus. The RA2000 and the RA3000 are silent, bright, flexible, and precise.